What if I told you that willpower and calorie aren't the main reason you can't lose weight? Your doctors probably never mentioned this, but there is a hidden hormone sabotage happening in your body right now that makes weight loss nearly impossible. I'm Jay Patel and I have helped thousands of patients break through weight loss plateau. I have found that most diet fails because they completely ignore how your hormone controls your metabolism. Stay with me for the next few minutes and I'll reveal the 3 critical hormone imbalances that are keeping you from the body you want, plus the extra step to fix them naturally. This isn't theory, this is a medical science that changed my patients' lives. If we haven't met before, I am Jay Patel, founder of MyFitMed. As a physician assistant specialized in metabolic health, I have helped thousands of patients finally lose weight when nothing else has worked. But here's the truth. I used to prescribe same advice you have heard a million times. Eat less, move more. And I watched patient after patient struggle, blame themselves and eventually give up. It wasn't until I started looking deeper at hormone panels that I discovered why traditional advice failed so many people. Your hormones are the master control of your metabolism, energy and fat storage. And when they are out of balance, weight loss becomes virtually impossible. In today's video, I am giving you the exact same information I shared with my private patient who pays hundreds for consultation. So if you are serious about sustainable weight loss, make sure to watch until end. Well, I'll share my 3-step Hormone Reset Protocol. Before we dive into specific hormones, you need to understand something crucial. Your body is a complex system where everything is connected. Think of your hormone like a messenger carrying important instructions throughout your body. This messenger tells your cell whether to store fat or burn it, feel hungry or satisfied, and even how much energy you have for exercise. The problem? Modern life is absolutely destroying your hormone balance. Stress, processed food, environmental toxin, and even your sleep habit are sending this messenger into chaos. Let me show you the 3 most critical hormones that might be sabotaging your weight loss effort right now. First, let's talk about insulin, what I call the fat storage hormone. Every time you eat carbohydrates, especially refined one like bread, pasta or sugar, your blood glucose rises rapidly. Your body releases insulin to manage this blood sugar. But insulin has another job. It tells your body to store fat and prevent fat burning. The more insulin you produce, the more fat you store. Here's what most doctors won't tell you. Many people develop insulin resistance from years of high carb diet where your cells stop responding properly to insulin. This creates a vicious cycle where you need more insulin to manage the same amount of blood sugar, leading to even more fat storage. Signs of insulin imbalance include constant hunger, energy crashes, belly fat that won't budge, and intense craving for sweet food. I share the insulin reset protocol at the end, but first, let's look at our second critical hormone. The second hormone wrecking your weight loss is cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. When you are stressed, whether from work pressure, relationship issue, or even intense exercise, your body releases cortisol. This was designed as a short-term response to help our ancestors escape danger. The problem? In today's world, many of us has chronically elevated cortisol level. This tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your midsection, as a protective mechanism. Even worse, elevated cortisol directly interferes with your sleep, increases craving for comfort food, and reduces muscle mass, all things that makes weight loss harder. Signs of cortisol imbalance include stubborn belly fat, trouble sleeping, afternoon energy crashes, and feeling wired but tired. The third critical hormone affecting your weight is thyroid hormone, what I call your body's metabolic thermostat. Your thyroid controls how quickly your cell burns energy. When thyroid hormone is low, a condition called hypothyroidism, your metabolism slows dramatically. This means you burn fewer calories even at rest. Here's what fascinating research shows, that up to 20% of people struggling with weight have undiagnosed thyroid issue, and many more has subclinical hypothyroidism, where their levels are technically within a normal range but not optimal for metabolism. Signs of thyroid imbalance include constant fatigue, cold hand and feet, brain fog, dry skin, and weight gain despite eating well. What even more interesting is how these 3 hormones, insulin, cortisol, and thyroid, all interact with each other. For instance, high cortisol can suppress thyroid function, while insulin resistance can worsen both hormones. Now that you understand how this hormone affects your weight, let's talk about how to fix them. I have developed a 3-step hormone reset protocol that helped hundreds of my patients finally break through a weight loss plateau. First, we need to reset your insulin sensitivity. Here is how. Implement time-restrictive eating, where you consume all your meals within 8 to 10 hour window. This gives your body times to lower insulin level and start burning fat. Focus on protein and healthy fat first in every meal before consuming carbs. This prevents blood sugar spike. And add apple cider vinegar 1 to 2 tablespoons. Studies show this can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34%. Include movement after meal. Even a 10-minute walk can reduce your blood sugar spike. Next, we need to manage your stress hormone, cortisol. Incorporate Incorporate daily stress reduction practices. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation can significantly lower cortisol. Optimize sleep by keeping the same schedule every day and avoiding screen 1 to 2 hours before bed. Consider adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha, which has been shown in clinical studies to reduce cortisol by up to 28%. Avoid excessive tense exercise if you are already stressed. Opt for yoga, walking, or strength training instead. Finally, let's optimize your thyroid function. Ensure adequate intake of thyroid supporting nutrients, especially selenium, zinc, and iodine. Reduce environmental toxin by filtering your water and choosing organic for dirty dozen food. Consider having a complete thyroid panel done, not just TSH. Many doctors miss the subclinical hypothyroidism. Support gut health with probiotic-rich food, as gut bacteria plays a crucial role in converting thyroid hormone to its active form. I have seen this protocol transform the lives of many of my patients who struggle with the weight for years. The key is understanding that weight loss isn't just about willpower, it's about biology. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more science-based health content. Let me know in the comment which hormone you think might be affecting your weight loss journey. Remember, understanding your hormone isn't just losing weight, it's about reclaiming your energy, mental clarity, and overall health. I'll see you in the next video.